In this video, I'm going to show how to connect ClickMagick with Google Sheets using Zapier. We're going to create a Zap to connect the two applications such that whenever we have a click in ClickMagick, we want to record the Google Click ID, the gclid, because ClickMagick will only make available the gclid in audience optimization upon a conversion. So if you wanted to, for example, record it for every click, here's how to do it. So in Zapier, we're going to create a new Zap, and our trigger will be ClickMagick. It's going to be a click in ClickMagick. The event is going to be a new campaign project click, and we'll just go through the rest of these tabs to make sure that we have everything connected, and we're going to test our trigger, and it brings back some sample data. I'm going to select this one because it has a gclid value, and that's what we're interested in the most. So we'll continue with that selected record, and the action we want to take place is in Google Sheets, and what we want to do is record each click as a separate record in the spreadsheet. So that's going to be create a spreadsheet row, and make sure everything is set up correctly. The spreadsheet that we're going to use is one that I have called Stuff, and it has a worksheet called CM, and that worksheet CM has 3 columns in it, and we can see that worksheet here. It is empty currently, and what we're going to do is connect each of those columns with the data we receive on a click in ClickMagick. So for our timestamp row, we'll just click in there, and we want to select from this list from ClickMagick timestamp. Then for the visitor ID, same thing. We'll look for visitor ID, and there it is. So that's how we connect ClickMagick data with our spreadsheet. And then finally the gclid, that's also available right there. We'll hit continue, and now we're going to test this just to make sure all the things we connected here are working. And it looks like it worked. Let's check our spreadsheet to make sure that that data did in fact get sent, and here it is. It did in fact make it into our spreadsheet. So we're going to then go ahead and publish this Zap, and after it publishes, we're going to test it with a real world click, and this is going to simulate a click on a Google ad. I have a URL that matches such a click, so I'll go ahead and enter that in so that we can record it and see if our spreadsheet picks it up with the Zap we just created. And if you notice here, it says that, let me zoom in a bit, it takes 15 minutes for that trigger to get recorded, up to 15 minutes. So we'll have to wait. Once that amount of time elapses, I'll go ahead and check if the worksheet did indeed record the click and its data. So I'll pause until then. All right, so it's been a few minutes, and we see a second record has appeared, and it is the click that we generated. So our Zap is working, and this is how we connect ClickMagick with Google Sheets using Zapier.